Proč Spojené státy nezastaví Egyptu vojenskou pomoc?
Issue about U.S. military aid to Egypt is tied to the Camp David Accords hammered out with President Carter. And Egypt and Israel back in the late 1970s. And the whole issue is this status quo involving Egypt taking back control of the Sinai. This is basically a form of protection insurance whereby the U.S. lavishes billions of dollars of military aid on both Egypt and Israel, even though neither country really needs this aid, and the only individuals that suffer are the U.S. taxpayers who don't have the money now, that they're taking money away from critical issues in this country to keep the status quo advanced and in operation, basically along the Egyptian-Israeli border, and there are some cases where Egypt doesn't even need some of the military aircraft that the U.S. sells it. So part of this also is to keep companies like Boeing and Lockheed Martin in huge profits based on this agreement made in Camp David many decades ago.